All right. This is the puppet show of Brother Tom.
Brother Tom, oh yeah. Hello, how's it going? So, what is this? This is museum we're in?
Yeah, Tom, what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Oh, yeah? You go to school, Tom?
School time? No, I go to work every day.
Oh, you go to work every day? You got a job?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your job? Being a puppet?
No, my job is typing on the computer, writing out papers for folks.
Oh, yeah, you do? You
Yeah,
do
I
go to
for
work?
boss.
Oh, you a smart puppet then, huh?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. You're a puppet with an IQ.
yeah.
QI.
Well, no, not a QY.
What about a YQ?
Oh yeah, maybe YQ.
Oh, okay. What about PhD?
PhD, yeah,
A PhD too?
yeah,
But well, you're a smart puppet then.
yeah. I write books for a living.
Oh, okay. You read books for a living.
Yeah.
Oh.
I write books.
Oh, you write books.
Yeah.
Oh, Tom, you're smart. Oh, man, I gotta take a picture of you, man, because I've never seen a puppet man who wrote a book, man.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Oh. So, your name is Tom the Magnificent Smart Puppet.
Well, no, my name's just Tom.
Oh, okay.
Simply Tom.
Simply Tom, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good, Simply Tom.
Well,
Very good.
It's nice meeting you.
Man, name, where you going, Dave? Where you going, Tom? Don't leave. I gotta take a picture yet, man.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, there you go, Tom.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Can I do it?
You did good. Go ahead. You got another puppet. You got another puppet, man. You got another puppet. You got another puppet. There you go. Do your character. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in.
Are you ready?
You ready? Go ahead. Go ahead. You ready when you're ready.
Oh boy, man. Oh dear. Hello everyone.
Yeah.
My name's Carl, and I'm not used to doing this kind of stuff. I'm kind of nervous. So I see you. Oh dear.
Is that Carl, a raccoon?
Carl?
No, I'm a ferret.
Oh, a ferret. Oh, you're a ferret, huh?
Yeah.
What's up, Carl the ferret? How you doing?
Doing good.
Good. What do you do for a living, Carl?
Well, I like to sing.
Oh, you're a singing puppet, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, can you hit a tune for me?
Get a tune? Oh, okay. Let's
Yeah.
see. Life can be a dream, life can be a dream. If I can take you up to paradise up above. If I can tell you I'm the only one that you love. Life can be a dream, sweetheart. Hello again to me. I forgot the lyrics of it.
Very good.
Good.
I know another one. Let's see.
Oh, wait a minute. Go ahead. Do another one.
Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I go sailing. She's gone beyond